Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in Bank of America mobile banking online account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your phone. At this email box, you need to write down the email that you used previously to sign up this app. Now tap on next. Likewise, write down the password that you had set up for this account earlier. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on Need help signing in. There you can see the option Forget password. You can tap over there and they will guide you for the further step to get back your Bank of America mobile banking account. If you have written your email and your password and you are all set to go, then simply tap on Sign in. And that's it. This is how easily you can log into your Bank of America mobile banking account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.